Hello, I've just received this parcel, so I'm going to open up the box and take a look inside. Wow, so first of all you can see it's really jam-packed with goodies. So first of all we've got some chocolate and ginger infused tea bags. We've got some organic peppermint tea. Wow, we've got a super soft neck cushion. We've got some E45 cream, which is always handy. And we've got this really luxurious mink blanket. It's got a faux fur finish on it. It's going to keep you really warm. We've also got some hand sanitizer. We've got a couple of packets of tissues in there. And we've got some moisturiser, which is good for the skin and beard, it says on there. We've got some travel sickness wristbands, which are going to be useful not just for travel, but any time that you're feeling a bit nauseous, these things are going to help. We've got some Groovy earphones. And we've got a Polar Gear water bottle, which is really handy because it's got times and measurements on the side there, so you can make sure you keep hydrated. And we've got a portable LED USB lamp. We've got some colouring pencils with a sharpener built into the top there. And I can also see in the box, we've got a colouring book. It's a therapy colouring book, which is going to help you relax. And then we've got a gel bead eye mask, which is going to really relieve any tensions you've got in your head and your eyes, and also is going to help you to sleep. We've also got a gel heat pack. Then we've got a really nice wash bag to keep all the bits and pieces in. And we've got some thermal socks. There's also some instructions in here of how to use the anti-nausea wristbands. We've got some Nivea for Men cream. And then we've got some general information on most of the contents that are in the box, how they can be used and how to use them. We've also got some natural lip balm, which is going to really help with chapped lips. Then we've got a really handy beanbag lap tray. So this cancer care package for men is going to be an ideal gift for anyone that's going through treatment or not. It's safe for those going through chemotherapy, radiotherapy or surgery. It's a really thoughtful and comforting gift that anyone's going to find benefit with. This is the Deluxe cancer care package for men, and it's available from cancercareparcel.co.uk.